On behalf of Expert Village, my name is George Engel with Mr. Fix-It Handyman here in Miami, Florida. And today I'm going to be showing you how to install weather stripping on the exterior of your garage door. Alright, we're going to be putting up the last piece here, and I'm going to show you a little bit on how to finish. Again, I'm using my fingers in the back to make sure that I got a straight line in the back and to ensure a proper seal when the garage door closes. Okay. Now for a final touch-up, I use the same sealant because it is an excellent exterior sealant. Just to finish off the edge and make it look like it's been there and it belongs there. Very easy to do. Steady all the way down. And what you don't get steady all the way down cleans up with your finger pretty easy. And there you have it. There we've got a sealed molding for your garage door. So now you can feel free to close it and you won't have to worry about the bugs coming in anymore. On behalf of Expert Village, thank you for watching.